Alright, hello everybody and welcome to today's video. In today's video, this is going to be my first tutorial on making stuff in Blender. So, in today's tutorial for Blender, I'm going to show you how to make a quad sphere. A lot of people have trouble making this, I know I did. I didn't even know really what it was, but now I do. It's mainly used for 3D modeling, sculpting, that sort of thing. But, also, I would like to mention, if the video is a little off or anything, I just got a new monitor. So the video might be a bit off or anything. I just got a bigger one because my old one was smaller but also kind of broken. So this one works better, but the video may be a little off. I'll try to fix that if there's anything wrong with it. But anyways, let's get on with the video. So what you want to do first is get rid of the lighting camera, because we won't be needing that. It'll just be there. So the next thing you want to do, make sure you select the cube, right click it, go to shade smooth, and then you make sure you click onto the modifier tab, then you hit Control 4, which auto does a subdivision at viewpoint 4. Then after that, what you want to do is apply the modifier. So you hit Control A on the modifier and it's now applied. So now what you want to do is you hit Tab, go to Edit Mode, and in Edit Mode you go to Mesh, Transform, to Sphere, you hit 1, Enter. And now you have a fully functional quad sphere. Now, you can use this quad sphere for whatever you would like in Blender. But I would also like to mention another thing. So, I will be making another how-to video for Blender. The next video will be about simple objects and how to make them using references. And I will be making a lot more Blender videos in the future. And I do hope you like these kinds of videos. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It always helps. And also, that Blender video, the next one, should be coming out between now and next week. And I'm not going to rush it. I'm trying to make it as best as I can. And I hope you like this video. I hope it helped you a lot for any Blender users. And thanks for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video.